Hi everyone, welcome back to Joey's Trains. Hope all of you had a nice Thanksgiving, and it looks like Christmas is sneaking up on us. So Merry Christmas. I'm about to run my steam engines. I have three Proto 2 steam engines, Pennsylvania, two M1As and one 280, and I'm gonna smoke up this place. Yeah, I have lighting issues in the train room, and I haven't run any conduit for extra fixtures. But at Harbor Freight, I saw some battery powered lights, and all I need them for is for recording some videos. And you've probably seen these at Harbor Freight. They're battery powered. They have adhesive in the back, and they provide a ton of lighting, as you can see. I think they're less than $3 each. So I'm gonna stick those up, two on one end, one down the middle, and we'll see what kind of improvements we get. It's dark in this end of the layout. This Pepsi light does come on, and it provides some lighting, but it's still pretty dark, as well as this area. So I stuck these lights up on the ceiling, and let's see what kind of difference they make as I turn them on. I'm gonna reach over. That helps. Along with this area. And it made a difference. Let me stick the other one up, probably in the middle of the layout. It gets dark above the crossing. Okay, we have one stuck above the railroad crossing. See if it helps. Yes, it does. So three helped a ton. It'll help on the videos. And for $3 each, it's pretty good. Let's run trains.